Hello, my name is Anna, and today I want to tell you about my family. I love my family very much. We are not a big family, but we are very close and very happy together. First, I want to talk about my mom. Her name is Maria. She is kind, smart, and always smiling. My mom has long brown hair and warm green eyes. She works in a small shop, and she talks to many people every day. She likes cooking, and she makes the best pancakes in the world. Every Sunday morning, she makes pancakes for us, and the house smells sweet and warm. I like spending time with her in the kitchen. My dad's name is Peter. He is tall and strong. He has short, dark hair and blue eyes. My dad works as a driver. He drives a big bus and knows every street in our town. He likes listening to music and watching football. In the evenings, he often tells me funny stories from his work. He makes me laugh every time. I also have a little brother. His name is Max. He is 6 years old. He has short blonde hair and brown eyes. Max is very active. He loves running, jumping, and playing with his toy cars. Sometimes he is a little noisy, but he is very sweet. I help him with his homework, and he always says, "Thank you, Anna." He likes when I read stories to him before bed. We also have a pet. It is a small orange cat named Pumpkin. Pumpkin is very soft and cute. He sleeps a lot, but he also likes to play with Max's toys. Sometimes he runs around the house and makes us laugh. We all love Pumpkin, and he is part of our family too. In the evenings, my family likes to sit together in the living room. We drink tea, talk, and watch movies. On weekends, we go for walks in the park or visit my grandparents. My family is always together, and that makes me feel safe and happy. I love my family because they support me, help me, and make every day special. My family is the most important thing in my life.